Welcome back to the lesson. In our previous video, we've discussed about how to remove dictionary items, and in this video, we will be discussing about how to copy dictionaries using either the copy or the dict method. So let's actually go ahead and now run our script. As you can see, we have our dictionary of person, which basically contain items such as name, age, sex, and height. Alright, so now let's go ahead and use the copy method to copy our dictionary right here. So let me actually go ahead and first of all define the empty dictionary that we will be storing our copied dictionary value into. So let's go ahead and say my dict like so is equals to our dictionary that we wanted to copy from person dot copy. So that's all we have to do. Now we've successfully copied the element of the person's dictionary and store it inside our new dictionary right here called my dict. Now if I go ahead and copy this new dictionary and print it out, run our script, as you can see, we're going to get exact same result because we have successfully copied all the elements inside our person's dictionary and store them inside the my dict dictionary. So friend, this is how easy it is to copy a dictionary. Now we're going to go ahead and move to the next method, which is the dict method. So we can as well copy dictionary element or dictionary using the dict method. So let's actually go ahead and do that. Let me go ahead and comment this line of code. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the dict method. Now to use the dict method, we also need to store it inside another empty dictionary. So let me actually go ahead and define another my dict. Let's say 1. Which is going to be equals to, then I'm going to go ahead and call our dict method, dict, like so, and then within our dict method, I'm going to go ahead and paste our dictionary that we wanted to copy from, paste this right here, and now if I should go ahead and print out my dict1, copy this, paste this right here, and now let's go ahead and run our script. As you can see, we have exact same result. And here we have successfully used the dict method to copy our elements from the person's dictionary and store them inside our new my dict1 dictionary, which is right here. And here we are printing it. And as you can see here, we are getting exact same result. So I hope everything is clear to you, and I will see you in the next lesson.